Well, the rate of hospitalization currently stands at 0.7%. A new estimate show the Omicron variant now accounts for upwards of 80% of all the active COVID-19 cases reported here in Hawaii.
Health professionals say the low rate of hospitalization is indicative of both the Omicron's less severe nature and the state's ongoing vaccination efforts. Still, they warn trends of this most current surge warrants concern.
We expect, given the current rate of infections and positivity, that will be well over 300 patients probably a week from now. We could quite easily surpass the number of COVID hospitalizations we had back during the Delta surge.
Despite just 1 in every 130 positive COVID-19 cases requiring hospital care, concerns about overwhelming the state's healthcare system remains. Government officials are monitoring the hospitalization numbers closely. Mayor Rick Blangiardi stating discussions of reinstating public health restrictions on Oahu could begin if that number grows to 150. Still, some confusion remains as to which cases truly count toward that number.
A COVID hospitalization is when someone is actually hospitalized because of their COVID infection. We are not counting someone if they had an injury to their knee and then subsequently got tested positive for COVID. That is not a COVID hospitalization.
Our definition for a COVID hospitalization is anyone who is admitted to our hospital and is an inpatient and who tests positive for COVID, regardless of whether or not COVID is a primary condition they come in for.
Consistent, though, is the importance of vaccination. Unvaccinated people represent the majority of those hospitalized with COVID, and those experiencing the worst symptoms are those who remain unvaccinated or not yet boosted.
Fully vaccinated individuals still consistently do much better in general than anyone who is unvaccinated.
Almost everyone who is in the intensive care unit has not had a vaccination or is not up on their vaccinations. In other words, it's been 7 or 8 months. So their immunity has come way, way down.
Erin Coogan, KITV4 Island News.